In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Gmail emails into Notion. This is a great option if you want your emails and your workspace living in the same place, so you can stay focused and organized without constantly switching tabs. By connecting Gmail to Notion Mail, you can manage messages alongside your notes, tasks, and projects, all within one clean interface. To get started, open your Notion workspace and look at the left side panel. Under the Notion Apps section, you will see an option for Notion Mail. Go ahead and click on it. Once you do, Notion will redirect you to a new tab that opens the Notion Mail interface. This is where your email integration will be set up and managed moving forward. After the Notion Mail page loads, you will see a button that says Connect to Google. Click this button to begin the connection process. At this point, Notion will show a message explaining that it needs permission to continue with Google Sign-In. This includes access to your email messages, email content, contacts, email metadata, and certain user settings and preferences. These permissions are required so Notion Mail can properly display and manage your Gmail messages inside Notion. Once you review this information, go ahead and continue. You will then be redirected to the Google Sign-In page. Here, choose the Gmail account you want to connect. If you have more than one account, make sure you select the correct one, especially if you plan to use Notion Mail for work or important projects. After selecting the account, you will be prompted to enter your password to confirm the connection. When the sign-in process is complete, Google will finalize the authorization, and your Gmail account will be connected to Notion Mail. You will then be redirected back to Notion, where your Gmail inbox will begin loading inside the Notion Mail interface. Within moments, you will be able to see your emails directly in Notion, just like you would in a regular email inbox. From here, you can read messages, manage conversations, and keep emails connected to your Notion workflow. Having Gmail inside Notion makes it easier to reference emails while working on tasks, planning projects, or organizing information. Everything stays in one place, helping you save time and stay productive. And that is all it takes to connect Gmail to Notion using Notion Mail. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.